welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to do my, I took Ipsy challenge. I just called it an Ipsy challenge for September. I tried to use these items for about a week and to actually give a good review of them. And let's jump right in. Hi, I'm back. I use these products for like a week or even more, and I want to talk about it. All right, first up is the Glow. Glow for a Cause. I think it was vanilla and aloe. This stuff smells so good. It was such a treat using it. Look at how much I used, and I'm digging in, and then I loved it so much I went to look at how much it really costs, and it's like $50 for a jar. It doesn't moisturize like the most amazing moisturizer ever used, but it does moisturize. It smells so luxurious. It smells like cake, like I want to eat it. And then I get to splat the icing all over my face. Okay, I have a problem. But I absolutely loved it. I'd actually even consider buying it again if I had a sale and a coupon, because I really love that. All right, next up would be this blush. Douce Blush, cheek blush. And this is a shade I got, and I'll put the shade color down below because I forgot. It is the perfect color for me. I have rosacea, and when my cheek color comes out, it's just like this, so it kind of like, it worked really well. The magnetic pen is kind of weird, and because I don't have a Z palette to put it in. I have to find something. But holy hell, I really, I loved it. I did not check and see how much it is, but for me, it worked really well. I had no problem. I had read some people had problem with staying power, but I had no problem at all. It stayed and made my cheeks nice and rosy. So there it goes. Another win for Ipsy. The next up was the Smashbox Primerizer. It's like a moisturizer and primer put together, and it kind of, I worked. It moisturized a little bit and it primerized a little bit, but it didn't excel at either. And so I think I might take it if I had a one-night overnight trip and just like wanted less things, and especially, oh my gosh, but also look, I've been using it for probably 2 weeks, like every day, just using this primer, and it's still going. So that was a hell of a sample. So I really enjoyed it. It's not the best primer or moisturizer in the world, but I do like Smashbox, so I hate to say no to it, but just get the regular primer, it's better. But thanks, Ipsy, I loved it. All right, next up is this brush. I love getting Luxie brushes. This brush is, it looks like it would be really super thick, but it's not as thick as you would hope. I was using it for inner corner, and like, I don't know, I was doing all kinds of shit with it. And then finally, last night I was reading like what this is supposed to be for, and apparently it's for concealer, and then I washed it and I was gonna use it for concealer, and then I never did. It's a brush I'm gonna keep using. Is it my favorite brush? No, I wish it was a little thicker, but did it work? Yes. Does it make me happy looking at it? Yes. So thanks, Ipsy. Loved it this week. Actually, like 2 weeks. And last but not least is this little lipstick Tracique. It's like a lip stain, okay? I have it on today. Look. Okay, so it is a really deep red. Not deep red. It's a really kind of bright red. And I don't typically wear bright reds, okay? It just probably looks not so bright because I had to, so if you scroll it up, it's more bright. All right, so it's a real berry red, and I used it every day, but I don't like to wear red lipstick, so like it played well with others. That's what I want to say. It's not my favorite thing. Sometimes I put this down first and then put lip gloss over it to tone it down more to a shade that I liked, or I put lipstick down first and then this on top. I don't know, it played great with others. It was just fun to have around, and I was thinking like, to myself, I said that I'm just going to throw it in that drawer, and am I ever going to reach for it again? Because I had to reach for it for a week, and I thought, you know what? I will reach for it again. There's several other things that I've gotten from Ipsy that I reach for a lot. Like if I put something on and I don't quite like the way it looks, and I use this, and then oh, I don't have it here. Some other things that I use to just tint or change color. So hey, I had a very successful Ipsy challenge bag. I hope you like this format. I kind of like it. I think I will try it again. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Subscribe.